mat. We make your baby's safety a priority, just like you as a parent. Creating a safe environment for your baby during their playtime is important. Our mat has the perfect thickness that provides shocks absorption and cushioning effect to help protect kids from a dangerous fall. And also anti-slip technology, providing another level of safety. The mat is well-sized, light and portable for travel or trips. It's multifunctional. It can just be a baby play mat, picnic at the park, or even used as some light exercise mat at home. You can bring the mat anywhere you want. Just roll and we're ready to go. 100% waterproof. Milk and drinks will not soak the mat. Just use a wet cloth to wipe it off effortlessly. Everything is simple and quick. We've got a variety of design for you to pick from. There must be one that